First, check these videos. Just look at how
VEO 3.1 is launched.
And the best part? You can access VEO 3.1 completely free using Flow. So stay with me, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. First of all, go to Chrome and search for Flow. Then open the first website that appears. At first, you'll see a page showing all the Flow models and latest features like VEO 3.1 with an intro. Just click on Create with Flow and you'll reach the official Flow page. Here, sign in with Google and you'll be taken to the Flow dashboard, where you'll see all your created projects along with some sample ones. Now, I'll click on New Project and the page will open in front of you. Here, you'll find a few ways to create videos, like text to video, frames to video, and image to video. But the most useful one for me is text to video, so I'll select that. After this, on the right side, if you click on VEO 3.1 Fast, you'll see your video's aspect ratio, output, and model options. I'll select VEO 3.1 Quality for now. There are also VEO 2 Fast and VEO 2 Quality options, but they aren't available for free yet. Below that, there's an Expand button that can enhance your written prompt, but honestly, VEO 3.1 is already perfect as it is. Now I'll write my prompt. Man running on a street and asking, VEO 3.1 is launched. Watch full tutorial on my channel. You can write an even more precise prompt, but since I'm just testing, I'll keep it simple. Then press enter and your video creation will start. It might take a little time, but believe me, the results will be next level. First, listen to this video carefully, then I'll explain further.
VEO 3.1 is launched. Watch the full tutorial on my channel.
So you've seen it, and you can tell how precise and detailed the result is. Now let's talk about a few more things. At the top, you'll see some options. The first is Edit. If you click it and make any changes, those changes will be applied to the video without recreating the whole video. Next is the Favorite button. This lets you like something, which helps VEO 3.1's AI and creators understand what users prefer. After that, there's the Download button to save your video, and then the Full Screen button to view it properly. Next, if you click on the three dots again, you'll find options to flag a video if it's incorrect or violates any rules, and you can delete it as well. On the top left side, there's an Add to Scene option. Here, you have two options, Jump to and Extend. If you click Jump to, the second clip generated by VEO 3.1 will include a smooth transition to the next scene. If you click Extend, the current video will be lengthened, increasing its duration. Otherwise, you can download your video from here. Now, on the top right side, the first option controls Flow's volume, up or down. Then there's a link to Flow's Discord server where you'll get the latest updates, and next to it their Twitter link. If you click on the question mark button, you can send feedback. Also, under the three dots again, you'll find Flow TV, About Flow, and some feedback options. Not really useful for us right now. Finally, if you click on the profile icon, you'll see your credits. Each video costs 20 credits, and you get 100 credits per account. So you can make a few videos, but for frequent use, you'll need to create new accounts, or if you're a professional, you can get a paid plan for unlimited video making. So that's how you can easily use VEO 3.1 for free with Flow. If you want a comparison between VEO 3 and Sora 2, comment compare below.
Follow for more amazing content.